In this video, I will show you how to change your domain's name servers on Namecheap.com. To begin, log into your Namecheap account and click the Manage button next to the domain for which you wish to change the name servers. Next, scroll down to the name server section and select Custom DNS from the drop-down list. Enter the name servers that your hosting company has given you. In this example, the name servers start with the letters N and S, followed by a number. Most name servers will have a similar format to those shown in this video. Ensure that you enter all the name servers provided by your hosting company. Once you're done, click the green check icon to save the changes. Your Namecheap name server change is now complete. However, it may take up to 24 hours for this change to take effect due to domain propagation. If you have a website already set up on your hosting account, it may not be accessible until the propagation process is complete, which can take up to 24 hours.